iron ore, bauxite, gold, then we will come to mica. It is the fireproof and electric resistant, mainly used in making electrical goods. India is the largest producer of mica in the world. In Bihar, Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh, mica found. Zinc, silver, manganese, nickel, etc. or some other metal found in India. All metals are so solid except mercury and have shine. See, mica is a type of minerals we found in India only. It's the largest produced in India only. It is used for electric goods. Okay. Well, actually in India, where we will find this type of minerals we will find in the Bihar, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh. Okay. It's looking some shining colors. Okay. Then come to non-metallic minerals. We read about metallic. There are two types of metals is there, metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals, what are those? Iron, ore, bauxite, gold, mica. Then non-metallic we will read. Non-metallic minerals provide as non-metallic like coal, minerals, oil, natural gas, salt, gravel, etc. Let's know more about some non-metallic minerals. First we will take coal. Coal is a useful mineral fuel which is used for cooking food and for producing heat and energy. It is formed over millions of years from the remains of the plants. Coal is also used in factories and trains. It is also used to generate electricity and as a domestic fuel. Therefore, coal is also called black diamond. Jharia, Bokaro and Giridhi in Bihar and Raniganj in West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan and Assam are important places where coal is found. What is coal? What is coal? You know coal? Have you seen coal? Yes, you have seen, but you are not definitely this only a coal. Coal means ನೀವು ಕಡ್ಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುತ್ತಿ ಅದರ ಒಳಗಡೆ. In Kannada we tell idli. Idli is there na? This will use. This is a waste material. You think, but it's not a waste material. Coal is used for moving trains. Okay. Then producing electricity also. Then producing heat. For cooking also, these types of work will do by coal only. It is a black diamond. It is a black diamond in India. Jharia, Bokaro, Giridhi and Bihar and Raniganj, West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan and Assam. This in whole now each state we found this coal in these are the states. Okay. Next we will take a minerals oil. Mineral oil. It is a very useful product. We get petrol, diesel, kerosene, cooking gas, gases, etc. from grease, etc. from it. The other name of minerals oil is liquid gold. Minerals oil is pumped out from underground through oil well. The regions where oil wells are located is called an oil field. Ankleshwar in Gujarat and Digboi in Assam are the places where oil fields are found. Oil, mineral oils ಅಂದ್ರೆ oil ನಲ್ಲಿ liquid ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Liquid, petroleum, gas, then diesel, kerosene and grease. These types of liquid. Now petrol for what we use petrol? For vehicle only, to moving vehicles. Gas also will produce for cooking also using, and for vehicles also we can use gas. And diesel also we can use in the trucks, cars. For this vehicle we use diesel. Kerosene also for cooking use. Then grease will also use for vehicles only. Okay, this types of it is a liquid gold. Where will find these types of minerals? These types of minerals will find Ankleshwar in Gujarat, Digboyo in Assam. See, ಈ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಡಿಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. ಡಿಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ಥರ ತಕ್ಕೊತೀವಿ ಆ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲು. ಅದು ಮಿನಿರಲ್ಸ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಫುಲ್ ನಾವು ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದು ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. Crude oil is found under the ground or the seen in the non-refined state. After refining the crude oil, many useful fuel are produced. Crude oil ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ, ಡಿಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದು ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಮೆನಿ ಅದರ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು some of the big refineries of the India are located at Mumbai, Kochi, Chennai, Mathura, Haldia and Baruni. ಈ ಥರ ನಾವು ಆಯಿಲ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ? ಮುಂಬೈ, ಕೊಚ್ಚಿ, ಚೆನ್ನೈ, ಮಥುರಾ, ಹಲದಿಯಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬರೂನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅದು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್, then we'll come to natural gas. Natural gas is found in the oil wells. It is used as a fuel for cooking food and running factories. Nowadays compressed natural gas CNG is being used as a fuel to run vehicles. Some other non-metallic minerals also found in India are limestone and rock salt. Natural gas, usually we use this type of gas for cooking. Nowadays it's used for vehicles also. Vehicles ನಾವು CNG ಅಂದ್ರೆ compressed natural gas ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ರನ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Conservation of minerals wealth. The minerals are one of the most useful natural resources. It takes thousands of the years to form minerals. As these are the inexhaustible resources, we should use them judiciously. Otherwise, this will be exhausted very soon. We should use more and more of the inexhaustible sources of energy, like the sun, wind, and weather. Sun, wind and water. In our minerals ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕೈತೆ. But it's like we find minerals, but minerals will ಅದು ಏನೋ exhaustible means ಅದು ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಮಿನರಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ನಮಗೆ ವಾಟರ್, ಸನ್ ವೇವ್ಸ್, ವಾಟರ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಆ ತರ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಏನು ನಾವು ಯಾವ ತರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅದು ಖಾಲಿನೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.